Hey everybody, AmpRepairGuy.com, also HardrockElectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. Just so everyone knows, again, I have the TL922 filter cap board kits available on the website with filter caps. So, if you need to place an order, they are available. And I'm having some more boards made, so I'm going to be adding more stuff. I only have so much time, but I'm adding things slowly but surely. All high quality stuff. All new parts. New stuff. Except for some meter lamps. Oh, they're all new, but some of the non-kit stuff, some of that stuff is new old stock. But all the filter caps and all the kit stuff is new, brand new, fresh stock. Okay, so we have another Ameritron Al811h in for repair. I took apart the Al82. I had to order some parts. So that will be back on the bench another day. So moving on and getting these done. I have more on the way. Actually, I think an amp supply amp got delivered yesterday. So that'll go on the bench most likely tomorrow. So I've not taken the cover off. Actually, I'm going to do that in a second. It's so early here. I'll take the cover off, show you the inside. So, input SO tip 39, no grip. This one has grip, but I always replace both. These are just really cruddy. This was bent in, so I'll try to bend it back. I don't know how that happened. That's weird. This little corner got bent. They didn't do the foam in place fragile pack, they only did bubble wrap, but the rest is okay, so. Okay, so I'm going to take the cover off and show you the inside. Be right back. Okay, so I have the cover off. Plate choke's loose, I always put a longer screw in. So I have the bias modification to check the meter protection diode. Grids are not grounded. The grid resistors. So 10 meter mod has not been done. I'll do that. I'll clean the rotor switches. The straps are way too rigid, so I will change those. Looks like one's been overheated. I'll check the resistors. I always make sure they're within tolerance and pretty close to each other. Parasitic suppressor resistors. Okay, so I'm going to get to work. Stay tuned. And again, these are great amplifiers once they've been gone through. And I'll only work on one if you put in 572. So it's getting SO239s from Max Gain Systems. Awesome people there. And I need to check his tubes. If they need replacement, then it'll be getting Penta tubes, and again, you get them for the dealer price. I make nothing, so you just buy them direct from Penta. They send me tubes here to have in stock. They're owned by Penta, so you just pay them direct. Okay, so I'm gonna get to work. See you guys soon. Please like, share, and subscribe. Notice that the insulator's cracked where it connects to the splined portion of the plate tune air variable capacitor shaft. So I will have to pull that all apart and epoxy it or super glue it. It's not spinning. I mean, they're coupled together, but I don't want that to be a problem for the customer when he gets it back. So, okay, so I'm gonna get to work. See you guys soon. Oh, one other thing. Does need a new set of tubes. I had Penta tubes. I think he had an oscillation. Here they are, you can see. They're from 2023, see the date code. See how one is yellow? They use the yellow rating. You see these ones got really hot. Like some hotter than others. That explains the strap that really discolored. So I'm gonna get to work. See you guys soon. I compressed the socket clips. I connected the grid connection for each tube socket directly to ground, and one gas discharge tube per side of the filament. Okay, so on to the next step. See you guys soon. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al811h. I've been waiting on parts. I have parts to finish the Al82 tomorrow, then I'm working on an amp supply on Monday, and I have another Al811 and SB200 and other Ameritrons in boxes. So customer wants a video of this on 20 meters. Got the radio set 20 meters, audio hello, about 80 watts or so, I'd say. So 1 kW slug, bird 43, PP kit is on, going into a bird attenuator load. Okay, go ahead, key the amp, audio hello, hello, audio hello, audio hello, 800. Okay, so put it on. Audio hello, audio hello. Play voltage. And she's working as she should, so I'll let it cool off and I will show you the inside. Stay tuned. So here's the inside. I replaced the straps so they're nice and flexible. Put in new SO239s from Max Gain Systems. Did the BIOS modification, it was lacking that. Removed the metal oxide varistors from the board. Added the gas discharge tubes under the sockets. Grounded the grids right to the metal. Brand new plate choke. The metal was bent a little bit, so now the choke is straight up and down. Tightened up a bunch of hardware. Resecured the choke here. This had the grids weren't grounded in this one. It had the grid loading resistors. Did the 10 meter mod. Tested it, and she's good. The shaft was split, so I added some, it wasn't spinning or anything, so I just added some super glue in the crack. So there's splines, so now it's good. Won't go anywhere. So that's about it. So websites are amprepairguy.com and also harbachellectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. 203-892-4119. Have a great day. Oh yeah, and it's got a brand new set of Penta tubes. Almost forgot. Awesome company. Awesome customer service. So thanks for watching.